Hello and good evening everyone. Good evening. How are you all doing? Okay, so in the last live that I took for mathematics, you all asked me to do in this particular session, means the next live session of maths, as the chapter Continuity and Differentiability, right? So I'm just gonna start that. I have taken top 20 questions, the top 20 PYQs from this chapter. Again, this is going to be a very high weighted chapter. Alright, then what are these 20 PYQs? These are those 20 PYQs which is first of all which can be solved by every single student. Okay, so my goal is to be that everyone, we can expect 4 to 5 questions in the examination from this particular chapter. So out of 4 or 5, 3 or 4 can easily be solved of similar categories in the examination. Okay, so that's how the importance of the session will be. That's how I've taken these 20 questions. I have selected these 20 questions because every year 4 to 5 questions is for sure from the topic continuity and differentiability. Whether it is on definition of continuity, differentiability, or your formula based questions, of different rule based questions, all of them all together. Okay, so good evening to everyone. Yes, so many of you are already here. Alan is here, a regular student. Good evening, Alan. Khaja Pasha, good evening, sir. Sir, how to claim MVSAT scholarship? Okay, for that you have to go to the website, official website, and check. There will be a support email. You have to email on that, and the team will get back to you. Okay, chaliye. So what next? What next? Because I don't have much clarity about MVSAT right now, that's why I'm saying you have to get in touch with the support team. They'll help you get your scholarship. Okay, Manjunath, welcome to the session. Alan, your class was supposed to be on Monday too, right? Yes, my class was supposed to be on Monday, but we missed actually our Friday class, okay, which was your bio ma'am's class. That's why we had to keep the bio class on Monday, and that's why my classes got shifted to the Wednesday. Okay, so but don't worry, from here onwards it'll be Monday and Wednesday my sessions only. Okay, chaliye. So I think we can start now. Okay, so as you all know, whoever is joining me for the first time, what works over here, I'll give you the questions. You need to solve it first. You have to give a fair attempt, and then I'll give you answers, I'll give you tricks, I'll give you everything that you need to crack that question as per KCET standards, as per KCET exam standards. Okay, so let's start with the first problem we have here. What's the answer for this? I want direct answers in this particular question, because it is something that we have done at many occasions, and very obvious, very repetitive question. Means I can tell you in the KCET 2026 one question similar to this will come for sure, is guaranteed. Excuse me. So one question is guaranteed of similar category. So that's why this problem becomes very important. So all of you must know how to crack this particular problem. Okay, so question number 1 is here. Solve it and give me the answer. Yeah, I teach with basics only. So whenever I start a session or any question, I start from very basics and then go to the level of the problem. So don't worry about that. Okay, B, I have the answer. Okay, hi Nagraj, welcome to the session. Good evening. Okay. All right, so fine, B is the answer. We'll check. So many of you are giving me the answer. That is very good to see. How can we solve it? Let's solve it. We have this, we're looking for continuous. They have given it is continuous when, so whoever don't know the concept, please now your whole energy, your complete attention should be on the screen. Okay, the whole attention should be on the screen. So when we talk about continuity, we have only one rule, that limit of the function should be equal to the function value at that point. Okay, let's find the limit of this. So when you find limit, you have to use this particular function. So I get limit 3 sine pi x divided by 5x when x tends to 0, not equal to, tends to, okay, not equal to, whereas tends to 0 should be equal to what? Should be equal to f of 0, and we can see f of 0 is what? 2k. F of 0 is 2k. Okay, All right, so how do you solve it? We're gonna use LH rule. We can use different ways also. LH rule works faster, and we have to get our job done very quickly for KCET, right? So use LH rule. What is LH rule? Differentiate under the limits, and the limit remains same. So 3 will be as it is. Derivative of sine will be cos. So we'll write here as cos pi x, okay, and derivative of pi x, because you are doing what? Chain rule. You have to do for two functions, first for sine, then for pi x. For that you'll have pi, so it becomes 3 pi. Derivative of 5x will be simply 5. That's my limit. Under what value? Limit x tends to 0, and f of 0 is nothing but, here you check, 2k. Okay, and now substitute that value as 0 over here. In place of x, you're gonna get 3 pi by 5, the constant that you have, cos of pi into 0. So cos 0 is 1, equals to 2k. Answer is k equals to 3 pi by 10. So whoever gave the answer as B was correct. Whoever gave the answer as B was correct. Yes, superb, superb. So anybody has doubt in this particular problem, I am waiting to answer that and then move on. Okay, all right, nobody has doubt. Okay, no one has doubt. Yes, we can use, we have more than one way. We can directly, make multiply by pi and keep the 5 outside, pi over here, and then it will become simply 1. 3 by 5 will be the answer, by 2 becomes 10. So we have different approach. This also works out faster. Okay, your choice is okay. All right, we can use sandwich theorem also. Okay, so 1 second. Let's solve the second question. Is right in front of you. Give me the answers right now. I'm waiting for your answer. Yeah, I'm waiting for your answers. Yes, this is the second derivative question, right? Sorry, this is the first derivative question. You have to apply the square on that and give me the answer. I will not solve this one. This you have to solve. This you have to solve. Yes, D is the right answer. D is correct. Because if you differentiate this, this is parametric form, you have to write dy by dx. I can give you the hint. It will come as dy by d theta upon dx by d theta. Okay. Okay, so dy by d theta and dx by d theta. Okay, this is your parametric form. And what are you going to do from here? Check, apply this derivative. You will have two forms in this. A times 3 times sine square theta will be the answer for this part, and you're going to differentiate sine. You will get here cos theta. Okay, and same over here. You're going to end up with what? A into 3 into cos square theta with minus sine theta. Check carefully. A cancel, 3 cancel. This sine will cancel. This cos will cancel one of the cos. This square will cancel one of this sine. You end up with minus tan theta. And the answer over here is 1 plus tan square theta, right? With a minus sign. Sorry, minus is inside, square is outside. Forgive me. Yeah. Answer is 1 plus tan square. So it's going to be sec square theta. Option D is correct. Option D is correct. All right. Next one. Question number 3. Okay. Let's pick up some pace now. Question number 3. Yes. Okay, so the function f(x) equals to gif of x, where x denotes gif. Basically, how do you solve this? So we know that this will never be continuous, because when we talk about the greatest integer function, we always have to consider at the integral point there will be a absolute break. There will be a break at the integral point wherever you go. Okay, and likewise. So at every integral value, x equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, negative 1, 2, 3, 4, what will happen? It will simply be not continuous, okay? So it will be continuous at everything else other than integer. So answer will be option B. Answer will be option B. Yes. So direct answers can be done in 1 second. Okay, this question is for 1 second. It's a PYQ again. Question number 4 is x power y e power x minus y. Derivative is equals to what? How do you solve this particular problem? Derivative for this will be solved using, now this is very important question. Okay, so if I have to predict, I cannot say with 100% guarantee, but if I have to predict one question, so one I said will come on continuity and continuity definition, the other one can come on this, which is what? Application of logarithmic differentiation. So when you apply log, right, when you apply log, that type of question can come because they are a little bit complicated in nature. Okay, so let's solve this one. Yes, by taking log. So I hope you all can solve this very quickly. Yes, so when you do that, you'll have y log x for the left hand side because this y will come in front of log, and over here you'll have x minus y times of log of e. Okay, log of e is what? This is 1. Now if you differentiate this, you will end up with what? You will end up with, okay, 1 second, before I do that, I'll get y log x equals to x minus y. No, I'm going to use y by x once, so I'm going to substitute value of y by x first. So I get y log x plus y equals to x. Okay, take y common, so you're going to get what? 1 plus log x equals to x. Okay, so from here you are getting y by x value, y by x, I'm moving this x over here, so y by x value will be equal to 1 upon 1 plus log x, and then simply take this and differentiate. Simply take this and differentiate. So you'll have you to apply product rule over here. Y will be y1, derivative of y is y1, keeping log as it is. Y derivative is y1, keeping log as it is. Next will be y derivative of log. So 1 by x, that's the product rule. For x you will have 1, for y you will have again y1. Move y1 on this side and this on that side. So I'm getting over here y1 common, log of x, this will come on this side, so plus 1, and over here this is what? Y upon x, so 1 minus y upon x. Check here, what we have? Y upon x, 1 minus 1 upon 1 plus log x. If you solve this, you'll end up with, what is it? Log x by 1 plus log x. Log x by 1 plus log x. And what is this? Same thing. So over here you have y1, and this thing can come on this side. You'll end up with whole square. So answer is option C. It's a good question. So any question that is there from the side of continuity and differentiability of especially this category will take time. It will take 1.5 minutes or maybe sometimes 2 minutes. It is bad, but it might take time. Okay, so you'll have to save some time for that by saving time in questions like this. So when you save a time, no, you can use in this kind of question. Okay, so as I said, one question from continuity, one question like this. So total we have dealt with 2 questions. As I said, in the chapter 5 question will come. 2 questions I've already given you the hint what will come. 2 exact questions I've given you. So please expect these 2 questions, guys. So far all of you who are in this live have scored 2 out of 5 marks in the KCET 2026 paper. Believe me, trust me, I'm telling you this because that's how the patterns from the chapter is there. Okay, you need to work on the time management that is there, but 2 out of 5 is done. Let's move on then. Okay, now before I move on, I need to, as you know, we just started, I can take some more time, but I want to ask one question to all of you. One question. Let's take a 2-minute break. Okay, this is for your benefit only. Here it is. So what is the preparation going on for your KCET right now? Okay, do you know, do you have an idea how to get the top 1000 rank in KCET? Okay, sir, we know this very well, sir. Score KCET, score 150 plus. Super. What about this? What about this? Let me know, come back, guys. We'll solve questions after this particular. I want you to understand what is actually going on in your preparation of maths, preparation of chemistry, physics. If you're writing bio, then bio. How's your preparation going? And how are you aiming to get top 1000 rank in KCET? Come on, let's talk about this for 1 minute. Everyone, Nagaraj, Alan, everyone tell me how are you aiming, because your aim should be like this only. Okay, so aim should be what? To get into top 5 colleges. How to get into top 5 colleges? If not top 5, top 10. Top 10 colleges means 3 to 5000 rank. But how are you aiming to do that? Yes. Second one is very important. You need to have a very good PU2 score. You need to have a very good PU2 score. When I say very good, what it means? You need to have something close to 290 plus. Something close to 290 plus. Difficult, sir? Of course. Impossible, sir? Not really. Lot of people are doing it. You can also do it. If you have an aim of this, no, you need to have this score. Means you can get 130 over here, okay, 140 over here, okay, but you have to get this done, because papers are predictable, will help you in every possible way, and you can actually achieve this 290 mark. Ask your repeaters, ask your seniors, if they have missed this mark, how much they regret it. Go ahead, ask your seniors, okay, call them up, ask them on various social media platform, ask your seniors in the chat, okay, do they miss not getting 290 plus in KCET or not? For example, Alan is here, right? Example over here is Alan, he got 270. Alan, do you regret not getting 290 in your boards? Tell me, first question. Second question is, do you think that you could have got 290 plus in your boards? Okay. So yes, your boards marks are very important, equally important. Yes, see 230. So my point is, you have to, everyone who are writing PU2 boards this year, you need to get a very good marks in PU2. Okay, now this is again about PCM, okay? I'm talking with respect to only PCM. Now, so how are your, no regrets, sir, but don't you have regret that you could have got 290 plus? Then it makes so much easier for you to get a very good seat, right? If you are putting so much effort, you should get. Yes, yes, okay, yes, Nagaraj, you are right. Now see, Moini is so close to 290. So my point is, for all of you who are writing PU2 board this year, how is your preparation going? What are you doing about it? Is everything going very good? Tell me, come on. Come on guys, you all are in live. This is for your benefit. Let me know how many of you are writing PU2 this year and how many of you are doing very good preparation. Everything is going good, smooth. Everything is on track for preparatory, for your pre-boards, for your finals. So no answers so far. I'm still waiting. Yes, many of you are here. So either all of you are repeaters, or you're not writing PU2, or you don't want to score good marks in PU2. You do, right? You do want to score good marks in PU2. Yes. Okay, so nobody is answering my query. As I said, PU2 marks are very important, and to help you in that, we are bringing very special thing, okay, on our platform, YouTube, Deeksha Karnataka YouTube channel. So be with us. Very soon you'll be getting to know about what you're bringing to help you, to assist you in your PU2 journey, and you can actually score 290 plus with the journey we are starting in a very short period of time. So be sure to attempt. Yes, PU2 release date is so date I can't reveal, you have to wait for that, but yes, within a week you'll have a full-fledged program for PU2 available on Deeksha Karnataka YouTube channel. Okay, like we are doing something right now. Okay, so we have something, we are coming up with something. So I hope this is clear, right? Your PU2 is very important, and we are going to help you to achieve this score, this dream score of 290 plus very easily. Just follow that and you will be short ready for this particular marks. Okay, so I think now we can start the questions. I've taken too much of your time, but okay, we can need some time, some breaks, right? Now this particular question, can be solved in two ways. All of you will know. Method number one is the method that we all know. What's the method number one? Apply log and solve it. Apply logarithmic differentiation, or you can use simply trick. What's the trick? Whenever you have this form, x power m, y power n, x power m, and m plus n. Okay, x plus y power m plus n. You see here, this x plus y became again addition, and so is the powers. When you have that, derivative is directly what? In the variable form, y by x. This is your derivative. Direct answer. If you want, apply and solve. Apply and get the answer. Your answer will be y by x only, but you can use the trick also. Answer is option D. So did you enjoy this? I know everybody will enjoy this kind of trick, right? Because sir, without any work, no, I got 1 marks in PYQs. So I'm very happy, sir. So yes, some of the questions also are based upon tricks, and for that I'm here. I'll help you in tricks also. Okay. 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 So I think answer is clear. Fifth one. Question number 6 now. Guys, for all of you in live, I don't know why you're not answering my questions. Please make sure that you are giving me any answer, whether it is right or wrong, doesn't matter, but you have to give me the answers, because then only you get to have that confidence of knowing that what you're doing is correct. Otherwise, if you're writing an MCQ question, you might feel that okay, option A or option B both can be correct, okay, but which one to choose? That confidence will come if you solve and give your answers, okay? So please make sure that you are giving the answers in comment section. That's why we are coming live, no? Otherwise we can give you the session in recorded format also. Come on, question number 6. Tan inverse of x square plus y square equals to alpha. Find derivative. How would you do that? Find tan alpha from here, no? Find tan alpha. This will become x square plus y square. Differentiate from here. Answer, guys. Nagaraj, give me the answer. Alan, give me the answer. Others are not responding. Manjunath, give me the answer. Mohini, give me the answer. Ayush, give me the answer. Sir, can you explain question number 4 again, please? Okay. Question number 4, what was it? This is application of log, okay. Pasha. Your name is Pasha only, I think. Okay. So you have to apply log on both sides. When you apply log on both sides, the property is this, no? If you have log m power n, n will come in front. So n log m, right? N log m. So that's what we have applied over here. Y will come in front. Here x minus y will come in front. Rest is what? Simplification. Okay. Y will come over here. It will become plus y. Okay. And then find the value of y by x from here as 1 upon 1 plus log x. And then what is this? This step you're going to differentiate using product and chain rule. Product and chain rule. And you use y by x value that you got from here to the answer as this. Please check once again or rewatch it. Okay. Rewatch it. So your answer was A for this particular question. Yes. Yes. So A is the right answer. How do you solve it? This is going to be 0, 2x, 2y, y1, 2 cancels. y1 will be what? You move x on this side, so minus x by y. Yes, you will, sir, you will get the PDF, no? Where you will get, okay. So there's a WhatsApp channel that is available for free. You can simply join that. All the sessions PDF is available over there for free in the PDF format, of course. So join that right now. And if you want to watch more and more videos, and if you are here for the first time, do subscribe Deeksha Karnataka. Will help you in every single way to get a very good marks in PU2, to get a very good marks in KCET, and not only that, to improve your studies and build confidence day by day, session by session. We have more sessions like this planned. We have numerous things planned for the next year's PU2 and KCET examination. So be with us. You will have an outstanding result. Trust me, you'll have an outstanding progress. Okay, trust me on that. All right, so join the channel right now and subscribe right away if you're watching the session for the first time. Okay guys, come on, back to this question. So this is clear. Question number 7 now. Question number 7. Alan, others, please try, give me answers. Ayush, what happened? I want your answer also. If you are new to the channel, if you're here for the first time, do not forget to subscribe, because we put a lot of efforts, a lot of energy coming into your classes, and we get little bit happiness, not little bit, actually a big huge amount of happiness when you all trust us, join our sessions. So that's why, to show that appreciation, make sure that you have subscribed to the channel and watch more and more contents we are coming here with for math, for physics, for chemistry, for biology, to help you in your preparation journey. Question number 7. How to solve this? Simple. Divide by cos on both sides. This will become what? This will become tan. Sin by cos is tan. Cos by cos is 1. Cos by cos is 1, and sin by cos is again tan. Right? So write this again. 1 plus tan, basically I can write this as 1 plus tan over here. I can write this as 1 plus tan. That also works out. 1 plus tan x. Now there is a formula for this. All of you should know this formula. I can tell you over here, not a problem, okay, how to do it, but for examination you cannot do the derivation again and again, okay. You need to know the formulas straightforward. That's a requirement. I'm asking you to do it, you have to do it. It's a mandatory, okay. Now if you get this, apply tan inverse on this. Tan inverse on this value, tan of pi by 4 plus x. If you apply tan inverse to tan, you'll get the answer as pi by 4 plus x. Derivative is going to be 1. Derivative will be 1 from here. If this is y, no? So dy by dx will be what? 1, right? So answer is option D. 7th option D is the correct choice. Yeah. Yes. So now I can see many of you are giving the answer. Mohini, Manjunath, Alan, Nagaraj. Others still not getting the answers. You have to try. You need to try. Okay. You cannot just give up on me. I am working here to make sure that you need to improve day by day. We are not coming here with solving 100 questions in one time. I want you to improve every day little bit, which is doable targets I am giving you. And trust me, small progress builds the big result. Okay, so start the journey today with me, solve the problems and give me the answers. Okay, let's start. Question number 8, constant. For the constant A, differentiate this value. So check this out. Good thing about this problem is we don't have to solve for the first two terms because this is constant in all the 4 options. So just look for the answer for the not first two term, first term actually. Just the first term. Just the first term we don't have to solve. Others we have to solve and they're very easy. This we have to solve using what? If I write here x power x, how do you differentiate this function? You have to apply log in this. You have to do logarithmic differentiation over here. Okay, but for others, derivative of this is what? A times of x power a minus 1. Derivative of a power x is what? A power x log x. What is a power a? This derivative is 0. Okay, so directly you can get the answer. Whichever has these two options, that is your answer. So we have option B only correct. Yeah, I wrote here x, no, should be log a. The base should be the value over here. The base should be the value. So log a, option is B. Option is B. Yes. Let me check. Yeah. So I can see again few answers came. Manjunath, Mohini, Nagaraj, and okay, even Khaja Pasha has given me the answer this time. Asha is back now. Asha, you are late. Why? What happened? You did not know the class time. Wednesday I am coming every time, okay, 5:30 or 6, depending upon the availability of students. But yeah, mostly 5:30 only I am coming. So be in the classes. Okay. Question number 9. Come on. Now this is a smart question. I gave answer to. You're welcome, Alan. I know you gave the answers. First was your answer. And it was correct as well. Question number 9 you give the answers to. This is a smart question, okay? Because you have applied here modulus y equal to mod of cos x minus sin x is there, no? You have to apply the property of modulus over here. How would you solve it? Check the value, pi by 6. Graph, sine, cos. Okay, cos is this. At one value they meet together, okay? This value is 1 by root 2 actually. This value is 1 by root 2 actually. This graph is wrong. This graph is wrong. I could not be more incorrect than this. This is your graph, okay? This has to come down, right? This is the same value, okay? So this is here, what is this value? At pi by 4 they both become what value? 1 by root 2. This is 1 by root 2. For sine and cos, both of them are at pi by 4 1 by root 2. Now what is the value of pi by 6? Less or more than pi by 4? Is pi by 6 less or more than pi by 4? Of course it is lesser. Okay, of course it is lesser. In that regard, pi by 6 will come over here. Pi by 6 will come somewhere over here. Please check. This is your pi by 6 value. Now it means that at pi by 6, this is your cos function and this is your sine function. Okay, so at pi by 6, cos x will be more than sin x. For in that case, what will happen? This will be positive. So cos x minus sin x will be more than 0. So this modulus over here will open with a plus sign. So I can open the modulus with simply cos x minus sin x because this is positive value. Otherwise, I have to open with the minus sign outside. I have to open with the minus sign outside. Now if you differentiate this, your derivative as cos as minus sin x and sin as simply cos x. Put the value back of pi by 6. Your answer will be what? Minus minus 1 by 2 and minus root 3 by 2. Take minus 1 by 2 common. Your answer is option A. Your answer is option A. Ninth one. Yes. Sir, my cat is extremely cute. Okay, that I don't know. I prefer dogs, so my preference would go to that, but I hope you have some fun time with that. Whenever you're stressed too much, try to use that as your stress buster, but other time you have to come back and study. Okay, Nagaraj, less. What is less? I gave answers to less. Okay, Asha, I have college work. Is there? That's what I am late. Okay, I understand that, Asha, but try to attend. Okay, because I love to have my regulars in my classes. When all of you attend, no, I get more energized. I get more happy to take the classes. So please make sure that all of you who are regulars in my class are in my class, and yeah, we'll learn together. Mohini Lab A, Alan A. Yes, that's correct answer, right? A is correct answer. The graphical approach helps solving this problem quickly. Question number 10 now, y equal to this is given. If this is y, this whole thing is y even, then this value is also y. So write this as y equal to root of x plus y squared up. I get y square equals to x plus y. I can bring on this side, right? Y square minus y equals to x. Derivative will become what? 2y y1 minus y1 equals to 1. Take y1 common. I get 2y minus 1 equals to 1. Answer is y1 equals to 1 upon 2y minus 1. Hence answer is option D. Hence answer is option D. Okay. Option D. Yes. Yes, 10th is D. Sir, how to revise the questions which we have already solved? Which you have already solved will take less time, right? If you want to revise it, do you have solutions with you? If you do have, then just go through the solutions quickly. Or before revising, no, do one thing. Don't look at the solution. Try to look for the approach. Even if you can't reach the final answer, it's okay. Excuse me, just close the answer part and look at the problem and close your eyes and check what is going to be the approach for the answer, and then you check the steps that is given to you and whether you are following the same thing in your mind as well or not. So try to build the recollection power, and that can be done without looking at the answers straight away. Okay, question number 11 now. I hope it helps you, SSAP. If you are watching the session for the first time, subscribe right now to the channel and to the WhatsApp channel as well to get the sessions, and to don't worry about all these things because these things are taken care by our side. Okay, when we start teaching, your problems will be sorted. Okay, next problem. Question number 11. How do you solve this? This I will not solve, okay, because I said this question will come in examination and all of you should give me the answer, the correct answer from your side. Alan, Mohini, Manjunath, Ashia, K. Nagaraj, SSAP. Yes, B already answer has come from Alan. So Alan preparation is looking good. I hope to see him among the toppers next year and he can meet us as well. Okay, we had a meet and greet last year. This year also we hope to see you, Alan, in our meet and greet. You are doing good. Please be consistent. Do not stay, do not just lose the focus in between. Till the end, be consistent. You will be among toppers, rankers next year. Okay. Okay, so this is question number 11. Answer is B. B is correct. B is the correct choice. How do you get about this problem? Same approach, using the LH rule to find the limit. For finding the limit, we have ln x upon x minus 1 when x tends to 1, right? And for that, if you apply the LH rule, you'll end up with what? 1 by x. This will be simply 1, and limit will remain as it is. X tends to 1, it'll become 1 basically. 1 by x by 1. If you put x value as 1, it'll be 1. This is the limit value. Okay, and if you put equal to f of 1 is k, so k equals to 1 is the answer. K equals to 1 is the answer. Yes, so Khushi, Manjunath, Alan. So I'm getting new students now joining in the answers. Very happy to see that, but others don't fall behind. You also should give me the answers for every single question. 12th, I hope there's no doubt in the previous 11 questions. Fx equals to sine inverse of 2 power x plus 1, 1 plus 4 power x. How would you solve it? How would you solve it? Very simple, write this 2 power x plus 1 as 2 power x times 2. Correct? 2 power x times 2. Basically using the formulas and properties of indices. For denominator, 1 plus 4 power x as 1 plus 2 power x the square. And take 2 power x as tan theta. How come, sir? Because we have sine inverse outside. Tan theta has a formula in terms of sine, right? We're gonna use that over here. So this will become basically 2 tan theta, and this will become basically 1 plus tan square theta. Check this out. So I have sine inverse of 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square. Sine inverse of sine 2 theta. This is my value of fx or y. Check from here. If tan theta is 2 power x, then theta will be tan inverse of 2 power x. Tan inverse of 2 power x. Derivative of tan inverse 1 plus this is square, and then derivative of 2 power x will be 2 power x ln 2. Okay, 2 power x ln 2. This is my final answer, but I'm looking for y dash at 0. So right here, y1 at 0, 2 into 1 by 1 plus 2 power 0 the square and 2 power 0 log 2. 2 power 0 is 1, and this is going to be again 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So this and this cancels. Answer is simply what? Log 2. So option C is correct. Option C is correct. Check out now. Yeah, so I can see some of the answers. You're saying the property of differentiability. I think the property of differentiability. I'm going to bring those questions also. I have that as well. I do have that as well. Okay, let's move on. This is correct. If you want, I can just show you directly. Let me get to that question right now. Where is it? Where is it? Here it is. Solve it. Everyone solve. Your friend, your peer, your classmate wants it to solve a question on differentiability. So all of you solve this problem right now. How would you solve it? Yeah. Question number 17. How would you solve, guys? X equals to 1, the function fx equals to x cube minus 1. Is it continuous or differentiable? How would you solve? 7 p.m. Okay, somebody came to check upon me. Alright, let's get back to the session. 17th question answers, come on, give me the answers. Options now. 17th B. So Manjunath has given the answers of 17th B. Others? Yeah. B is the correct answer. Well done. Good job. Fastest to solve this question is Manjunath. Okay, Alan also comes second. Okay, Alan and Nagaraj are also back into the picture. Very good. So how to solve it? For continuity, check limit value. So limit value will be using which function? Equality is over here, so we'll go with this one. So limit of x cube minus 1 when x tends to 1, right? Will become what? It will be simply 1 cube minus 1, which is 0. What about f of 1? From here we can use second function, x minus 1, so 1 minus 1 is also 0. So limit and function value is equal, so therefore fx is continuous. Fx is continuous. Now let's check for differentiability. Very simple, the function is given, look for the branching in the derivatives. We have 3x square and we have 1 over here, because for minus 1 derivative is 0. It's a constant. This is from where to where? 1 to infinity, open, open. And this is from minus infinity to 1, close, here open. So if you check here, derivative will be what? Different. Here it is 3, here it is 1. So your LHD is 1 and your RHD is 3. Okay, so your LHD is not equal to the RHD. So answer is non-differentiable. Here you go. Option B is correct. Ayush, is this clear now? Ayush, is this clear now? Yeah. No answers. Don't know why. You should give me some answers, guys. So I think we were here, right? Somewhere. This we finished. Question number 13 now. Okay. Question number 13, solve it. If x equals to a sec square, y a tan square, what is the answer? This is an important PYQ. Relevant for your PU2 also actually. This is a simpler one. Okay, not that difficult. If you differentiate it, if you use it like this, dy by dx will be what? Dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. So your answer over here will come as a constant. Check. You'll get here a 2 tan theta, and for this you'll have what? You'll have a sec square, right? Sec square theta, and over here you'll have, again check, a 2 sec theta, and over here you'll have tan theta into sec theta. Derivative of sec is what? Tan into sec. Sec into sec is going to be sec square. 2 and 2 cancelled, a and a cancelled, tan and tan cancel. Answer is 1. Your first derivative is 1, means a constant. Second derivative will be 0. Option B is correct. 13 option B is the correct choice. 13 option B is the correct choice. Super. Yes. Super, super. So I'm getting the correct answers from everyone. That is good to see that you are able to understand questions like this. This one, what is the answer for this particular question? Fx sine inverse of 2x upon 1 plus x square. X is going to be what? Tan theta. We'll have here sine inverse 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Answer will be simply sine inverse of sine 2 theta. So 2 theta, this is my function y. So y equal to 2 tan inverse of x. Differentiate. Y1 will be what? 2 times of 1 plus x square. Okay, and that's it, right? Put the value of root 3 over here, y1 at root 3. So I'll have 2 times of 1 plus root 3 square. So I get 2 upon 1 plus 3. So I get 2 upon 4. Answer is 1 by 2. Option A. If I'm going faster, let me know, I'll slow down. If I'm going faster, let me know, I'll slow down. Okay. Anybody who feels that sir is fast today, let me know, I'll slow down. Yeah. If you feel that I'm slow today, I'll go faster also, no problem. Yes. So I think all of you gave the right answer, no? Yeah. The derivative of sin x with respect to log x, I'm not solving it. Give me the correct answer, everyone. Give me the answer for this particular question from your side. Yes, it'll end in next, I think, 10-15 minutes. Because we're already close to solving last 5-4 questions. This is top 20 PYQs, right? Different types of PYQs. Okay. 15 is B, correct. 15 is a PYQ from this year, okay? B2 is correct, because when you do what? Differentiation of sine, basically your function P is given as sin x and function Q is given as log x. I'm looking for dp by dq. So I'll have dp by dx divided by dq by dx. Answer will be what? Derivative of sine is cos x, derivative of log is 1 by x, goes up, answer is x cos x. So correct answer given by each and every one of you. Superb work. This is the last year's PYQ. Yes, Alan, you are right. 16th one now. Okay, so far who are in the live since beginning, I told you guys, out of 5 marks you have scored 2 already. How 2? This chapter will come for 5 marks in your KCET. 2 marks was one from continuity question definition, one from logarithmic differentiation question. Now 1 more mark can come or will come, not can, will come from second order derivative. So 1 question from definition of continuity or differentiability, 1 question from this one, logarithmic differentiation can come, and third one was this second order derivative. So if you have watched my session so far, you have scored 3 marks. You have scored 3 marks in your KCET examination with the help of this session. So that's why when I solve a question, I go from ground zero, from very basic, because I'm helping you do that. We are solving 20 questions. Okay, you are talking about in general. Try to solve all last 10 years PYQs. Okay, as simple as that. 15th, explain, sir. Okay. 15th, very simple. No, it's basically there are 2 functions, sin x and log x. Okay, the function is sin x and log x. You're looking to differentiate sine with log. So assume sine as the function p and function log as the function q. Okay, basically I'm saying that assume px equals to sin x and qx equals to log x. Okay, and they're asking you to do what? They're asking you to do dp by dq, differentiate p with q. They're asking you to do what? Differentiate sine with log, so p with q. Parametric form, so dp by dx, because function p is given in the form variable x, function q also given in the variable x, so dq by dx. Differentiating that, we get what? Cos and 1 by x, hence answer is x cos x. Clear, Manjunath? Yes. Question number 16 now. Here we go. 16th now. For this, you're going to differentiate over here. We are looking for second derivative, so we're going to get to that. First, differentiate till y1. You'll get y1 as 2 times of n plus 1 x power n, and over here you'll have plus 3 times of minus n, because power is in denominator, right? So you'll go to up, it'll become x power minus n. 1 by x power n is what? X power minus n. So minus n into x power minus n minus 1. Okay, this is my first derivative. Do the second derivative also. You'll get y2 as, please check, 2 times of n plus 1. This n will come in front, so again n into x power n minus 1. Okay, the first part, and you have here minus sign. Okay, so I get plus 3 as it is, minus n as it is, and this will come in front. So minus n minus 1 will come in front, and x power minus n minus 2 will come. Minus n minus 2 will come because we're going to subtract whatever the power, then minus 1 will come again, right? So minus 2. Now simplify this. 2 times of n into n plus 1 x power n minus 1. We have minus sign and man sign over here. It will become plus. So plus 3 times of n plus 1 x power minus n minus 2. This is the value of y2. What is y2? Second derivative is called as y2. Are they asking us y2? No, they are asking us x square into y2. So multiply x square on every single term. You'll get 2 n plus 1 x power n minus 1. When I multiply with x square, I have to add power by plus 2. Add power by plus 2. So you have to add n minus 1 plus 2. Okay? Same way over here also. Plus 3n into n plus 1 x power minus n minus 2. And again, what are you going to do? You're going to add here plus 2. Add here plus 2. Check this out. Plus 2 and plus 2 is cancel over here. And the final answer x square y2. Take n into n plus 1 common. What is left on this side? 2 and x. 2 and x power n minus 1 plus 2. So n plus 1. X power n, 2 minus 1 is 1. So n plus 1. On this side, 3 times of x power minus n plus 3 times of x power minus n. What is the final answer? Check, guys. Final answer is simply n times of n plus 1 times of y, because 2 into x power n plus 1 and this is 3 into x power minus n. So option A is correct. Question number 16 is over. Okay, so as I said, this over here I have given you 3 marks out of 5 in the chapter Continuity and Differentiability. So I hope you are happy with that. Are you all not happy? You scored 3 marks. You're not happy? Question number 18 now. Yes. Sometimes one question can be a unique problem as well. If you're scoring 3 or 4 out of 5, no, that is good, well enough. Okay. Chaliye. Now this is a unique question right on the screen. This sometimes can surprise student. This came for your seniors, the previous year's batch, and this is a very good question. Let's get back to this. How to solve it? We have cos 1 plus sine. First is what we're looking for? Derivative. Derivative, how do you solve derivative? Simply apply what? Quotient rule. Apply quotient rule. First, keep the derivative of cos x. So keeping 1 plus sine x as it is. Differentiate cos, you'll get minus sine. Derivative of cos is minus sine, this as it is. There comes a minus sign now. Or as per the quotient rule, this time you're going to keep cos x as it is and differentiate 1 plus sine. You'll end up with what? One derivative is 0 and sine derivative is cos x. So right here, cos x. Okay. Divided by, one second, divided by here. Once you get this derivative of, you have to differentiate, divide by 1 plus sine x the whole square. Okay. Now let's do the expansion. What I'm getting over here, I'm getting minus cos square minus sine square. Super. I'm getting here dy by dx equals to 1 minus 1 minus sine square x, and I'm getting over here what? Minus 1 minus sine square x, and yeah, no, sorry, not minus 1, excuse me. I'm getting here minus sine x and minus sine square x minus cos square x divided by what? 1 plus sine x the whole square. Check this out. If you take here minus sine common, this will become plus sine. Add minus sine square minus cos square. I've taken minus sine common. It will become sine square plus cos square. So I'm ending up with over here dy by dx. I'm getting here what? Minus 1, because sine square plus cos square is 1, but there is a minus sign. So minus 1 and minus sine x divided by 1 plus sine x the whole square, which gives me minus 1 plus sine x by 1 plus sine x the whole square. Check this out. This and this cancels. Not the whole thing. Pardon. Just the square term. We get minus 1 upon 1 plus sine x, and this is your answer for dy by dx. Option will be, check, option will be option A, and it's the wrong answer because we have one more option true. We'll check for that. Okay, this cannot be true, this 2 is gone. We have to be getting sec square. Okay, either option 3 or option 4, we have to check whether it is true or not. Okay, and for that we have to convert into cos square, no, because we have only sine over here. We have so far dy by dx as minus 1 upon 1 plus sine. So we have only sine over here. So I have to convert sine in terms of cos. Then only I can get cos square or something like that. Check this out. Sine of x can be written as minus 1 upon 1 plus cos of pi by 2 minus x. Pi by 2 minus x. Cos of pi by 2 minus x is what? Simply sine. Cos of 90 minus theta is sine theta. Okay. Now apply the formula. 1 plus cos of a. There's a formula, right? 1 plus cos of a is nothing but what is it? 2 cos square a by 2, no? 2 cos square a by 2. 2 cos square a by 2. So right here 2 cos square, and the angle A is what over here? Pi by 2 minus x. So right here pi by 2 minus x divided by 2. Okay, so I'm getting over here the value minus 1 by 2 at the constant outside. 1 by cos square will become sec square, and the angle you check, pi by 2 is pi by 4, and it'll be having x by 2. So my answer is nothing but second option is minus 1 by 2 sec square, pi by 4 minus x by 2. Let's cross check. Yes, option 3 also. So 1 and 3 are correct. Option C is correct. Check over here. Two answers. One is right here, another is over here. Check both the answers, guys. Check both the answers. If you have doubt, anyone has doubt in this question, ask me. Why? Because this is the latest PYQ, and this is the one question that people will skip in the examination. Yes, if you are getting this problem and you are, let's say, not that great in mathematics, not at your peak, okay, then skip this problem, because this will take time to solve it and you will end up making mistake also. The chances are like this. But if you can do it, this is the way to do it. Okay, no tricks will apply in this particular question. Okay, so you have to be very much good in mathematics, because yeah, of course, the 15 questions are challenging in nature. Okay, and this is one of them. This is one of the 15 questions. Okay, so 18th is over. Anyone has doubt in this question? Why is everybody silent? What happened? There's no energy. Am I doing something wrong? Am I punishing you over here today? Are you too tired from school today? Are you too tired from the school today? From your college? Am I punishing you all by taking your class today? Looks like it, but usually because you all are very chatty. You all guys, chat too much in my life, but today everybody is silent. What happened? Is Ankit Sir not doing his classes today very well? Are the questions not good? Am I not adding value to your session? I have made a promise. Every time we come for a session, we'll add a value in your preparation. And have I not done that today? How many of you feel that way? Tell me now, come on. Say, yes sir, I'm too tired today. Why? You played football, you played basketball. Because I have a student, they get tired playing their games and then they come and complain in the classes. That's so bad. Okay, you had your fun and you played and you got tired, and now you're saying, sir, you're tired in the maths class. Come on, for the last two questions, give me energy and solve these problems with me. Okay, so I'm still believing that you don't have any of the doubts in the previous 18 problems. Okay, all right. Question number 19. Somebody asked me about another question on differentiability. Here it is. Okay, how to solve it? Differentiable means continuous also. So solve for continuity, get an equation. Limit will be applied to this. Limit e power x plus ax when x tends to 0 will be what? E power 0 plus 0. Answer 1. Now f of 0 you check. You have to apply this because there is equality. So I get b times of 0 minus 1 the square, b into 1. Answer is b. They have to be equal, these two value, hence b is 1. Hence b is 1. So we have three options like this. Now we're gonna go with the differentiability. Simple. F dash of x will be what? E power x plus a for x less than 0. And for this part you'll have 2b x minus 1 for x more than equal to 0. 2b x minus 1 is the derivative of b times of x minus 1 the whole square. No sir, but I have studied till 12 yesterday and today woke up at 5, and today I wrote my records. Yeah, this happens. Even we as a teacher had this kind of hectic cycle. But yeah, if the classes are there, you have to attend. There are things that we have to take care of, but you also have to take care of your health. I hope you sleep on time and do your work never disturb your sleep, because if that becomes a bad habit, I'm telling you from personal experience, it's very difficult to come back to the right sleep cycle. Okay, I'm still struggling with that. So everyone who's good with their sleep cycle, very proud of that. But all of you who are distracted and not very good in the sleep cycle, you have to work to get back to that. It is very difficult to do it, but you have to, because you have a big task coming up in March and April. Okay, chaliye, do not ignore it. Okay, 19th. Usually even Alan is tired today. I don't know why Alan is tired today. He is never tired. Okay, 19th he has given answer B. Finish fast, sir. I have class in 10 minutes. Okay, fine. Done. Alan, okay. Answer is C, Alan. If you want, 19th answer is C, not B. Please change it. Answer is C. Check here. But the value is no differentiability value. I'll get over here e power 0 as 0. Okay, derivative value e power 0 will be 1 plus a equals to 2 times of b into 0 minus 1. So I get this as 1 plus a equal to 2 into b minus 2 into b. It means, and b value is 1. So I'm getting the value as 1 plus a equals to minus 2 into 1. I get the value of a as, excuse me, Alan is right and I'm wrong. How? B is 1, so minus 2b. Yes, he is correct actually. He is correct. Sorry sir, I doubted you. 2. Answer is 2. Yes sir, you are correct, I am wrong. Okay. So fine. Question answer is 19, 12. Last question. Finish it and go. Finish it and go. Come on. Last problem. Find the value of p from here. It will be a function. Function will be x square minus 1. This is your first function. And q, if you solve q value, you will get a determinant, right? So x times of x square minus 1. For you'll have minus 1 for this value. First row I'm using. I'll get x minus 1. And for plus 1, I'll be having 1 minus x. Simplify this. I'll get x cube, right? X cube minus x plus 1, and I get plus 1 minus x. So I'm having here x cube minus x is minus 3x, and I have here plus 2, right? Yeah. This is my value q. What I'm looking for? dq by dx. dq by dx. So it's going to be what? Please check. I'll get here 3x square and minus 3. Take 3 common. X square minus 1. This value right here is what? P. 3 into P. Option is B. Okay sir, I have finished the session. You all can leave now. Yes. PDF will be midterm series or Sankalp, sir. We'll keep it in Sankalp only. Done. So your answer is B again. You can leave, guys. All of you have covered the class. Thanks for joining in. And your answer is B. This is the end of your session. If you are watching us for the first time, more of videos like this, whether live or recorded, any assist that you need for your PU2 boards or your KCET will be coming on our platform Deeksha Karnataka. So do join and subscribe the channel right now to more and more supportive content and to help you in the preparation. Okay, so join right now, and don't forget to join our WhatsApp channel. Is given over there for all the PDFs for free, so you can simply join that. Okay, bye Alan, bye Nagraj, bye bye. Okay, just telling all of you who have joined for the first time, we'll keep improving like this, only one step at a time. Okay, and see you again very soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.